Concise RDWorks Learning Lab with Russ Sadler. Session 21, Line Drawing.
Now, this is today's session. It's all about using the machine for drawing. Now, many people think that this is the easy part of using the laser machine. I beg to differ. There is a lot of understanding that you have to get good quality drawings out of this machine. Now, as I've said for many other engraving processes, you can just throw some numbers into this machine and it will produce a result. Will it be a good result? Well, that's up to you to judge. You might be lucky first time, but there's quite a lot more to vector drawing than meets the eye. And I'm going to show you some of the tricks and secrets today to getting a good result. You will note how the smoke is pulling away towards the back. We're using all the same sort of tricks that we've used in previous sessions. We're using the engraving nozzle and we're using very, very low air assist. And we're drawing the fumes away